According to the United Nations Office on Drug and Crime, corruption has been identified as the major spoiler of Nigeria's ambition to move over 100 million people out of poverty. My name is Dr. Precious, and I am a presidential candidate, and today I would like to state my reasons why special courts should be created to treat corruption cases in Nigeria. Special courts need to be created with the appointment of transparent judicial officers who will give just judgments. This will ensure that officers are able to focus solely on the subject matter, corruption. According to the Guardian, Nigeria has lost over $582 billion to corruption in 61 years. Hence, the urgent need for special courts can never and cannot be undermined. The establishment of special courts will help in contesting never-ending criminal cases pending before existing courts, says Chief Emeka Ndegi. Other speakers might say corruption, special courts is a waste of time, human effort, and funds. While counterfeits that are saying when we establish special courts, it creates more job opportunities for the unemployed. Trials brought will follow a rigid process and procedure instead of being disposed so quickly as cases in high court are. Conclusively, the rate at which corruption moves is very alarming. I will ensure, if I get chosen as president, to make sure my administration clears and helps find a way to clear corruption in Nigeria. To curb this, we need to put up our guard and fight the best we can. If not, it could bring Nigeria down from being giant of Africa to the arms of Africa. Thank you.